here in New York, so we're here. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. It's officially time for vacation. I'm so excited. We are heading out to the airport right now. Come, Ty, come. We're heading out to the airport right now. We're actually waiting on a taxi to get here. There goes my
yes,
boy.
and
say morning to Faves first.
Morning, Faves. And to go to the airport, we need to take the taxi because we have a lot of things.
Alright, get down off my foot. So we're heading out to the airport right now. Our taxi is on its way. Baby's taking out the suitcases outside. Let me show you Tyler outfit swag, airport swag. He looks so cute. Ready? Yeah. Where's your bag? And there's his little bag that he's gonna carry. And let me show you guys Sarah real quick. There goes my little girl. She's all decked out.
Yes, Mama.
Yes, Di. She's sleeping. So, of course, I'll try to film as much of our journey to New York as possible on this vacation trip. So we are just about ready. It's almost 9 a.m. in the morning and our taxi is on its way. It's morning, it's morning, it's morning. Baby's busy taking out all the suitcases so that the taxi don't have to come and wait on us to go out. So yeah, hopefully you guys have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and we are ready for vacation. Anyway, you guys, we'll catch you guys at the airport at some point throughout today. Bye guys. And there goes my little pumpkin. She's sleeping. She's out. My little pumpkin is ready. And I realized as we reached the airport that I leave our pillows, our flight pillows. So now I'm looking pillows to buy in the airport. Hopefully I find some good price ones. Why is it so dark? Cold for dry leave. Can you guys believe that we're really buying pillows? Tyler already got his pillow. Tyler, let me see your pillow. And we're getting these.
So our foggy thing cost us 50 €.
If you don't buy it, you're gonna regret it.
We have a lot of stuff.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Tummy, Mama. If a bug goes in the tummy, we call it a second one.
You guys were at the airport, we checked in and snacking, we're eating croissants and chocolate bread. Babe gone to get us juice to come back. We'll be heading on our flight in about 30 minutes, I guess.
31 minutes.
And Sarah has been sleeping ever since I got her dressed this morning and leave home. She's still sleeping in her stroller.
There you are. I was like wondering where you went. I just couldn't walk.
So yeah, we're just here waiting to board, and then we'll be well on our way to New York, New York. So looking forward to this vacation, you guys. Why is this here so long around here? So something's falling out. No, it's just long. Anyway, you guys. It's fold. Pizza pie. Let me see the croissant. And we get ice cream. Ooh. Last meal on the plane. Oh, this is a croissant sandwich.
Jerky.
Looks yummy. Can't take it out? Alright. Not nice. But there's so much what? Sorry, sleeping. Wait, Tyler, wait. You guys, we reached New York and just leave the plane. Come, Tyler, walk up. We are heading to immigration right now. Come on, baby. Don't stay behind me, in front of me. And can I tell you guys how well Sarah did on the flight? She didn't even flinch. Not even one crying. Yes? Ty, you come with Mama? Sarah didn't even flinch. Like babe said, she did better than Tyler because Tyler started crying. I don't know, baby. Tyler started crying that he wasn't feeling well just before we land. So but that was okay. It was over in no time. But yeah, we're here in New York City. We're here. We're here. Yes.
Hold.
I'm gonna crash in the water. I'm gonna crash in the water. Here at my brother's house and my sister-in-law, where she is? My sister-in-law just went and buy us Popeyes, so we're eating our first meal. We're gonna have Popeyes and it was on our bucket list, so Popeyes, check. Sarah is here. She just knocked off a bottle, the bottle that I had on the flight. She just eat it. So Ty, you're gonna have Popeyes for the first time? Gonna have Popeyes for the first time? No, Ty gonna have Popeyes for the first time. My sister-in-law, the best sister-in-law in the world. Say hello to the vlog. I'm trying to play shy. Spending time with Pumpkin. Pumpkin, you can see mama no rub. See that mama don't rub any other thing on your face from morning. It's getting back red. And you guys, that's my brother. My brother. My brother. My brother. And my niece.
C'est bon.
She's looking at you like, get out of my face.
Hey guys, when it's the end of the first day was only travel for us. It's almost 9 p.m. here, mean around 3 a.m. at home. I'm so proud of Tyler. Tyler just went to bed now and yeah, he catch back the right time. Let's see how tomorrow gonna be. My turn to go to bed. Baby's just beside with Sarah, but yeah, I'm sure in no time I'll fall asleep. So yeah, I wanted to thank everybody for watching us. Don't forget to push the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to know the adventure and if you want to know the rest of the adventure that we're gonna have here in New York City, don't forget to follow us.